If I say your best friend's name, you are out. It is impossible for their name not to be on this list. I will start with the rarest ones. If your best friend's name is Hugo or Rosalind, you are out right away. If their names are Elliot, Tamara, or Caleb, bye-bye, buddy. Still in the game? Leave a like so I know who is still here. Now I will say some more common names, but still kind of rare. If your best friend's name is Nathan, Sophia, or Jack, you are out. Ethan or Claire, see you later, alligator. Subscribe if you love your best friend. Samuel and Vanessa, you are out too. And if your best friend's name is the first person that appears when you click share, and then more, you are out. Comment your best friend's name so I can include it in the next video. And for the final name, I am going all out. If your best friend's name is Anthony or Hannah, you lose.